Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. In today's video lecture, I am going to start exercise 2.5. The first question is estimate the answer by rounding off the numbers to the nearest and solve the question to check your answer. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको जो नंबर्स हैं उनको राउंडिंग ऑफ करना है 10 तक. उसके बाद आपको आंसर चेक करना है. तो जो नंबर्स एज इट इज़ रहेंगे उन्हें ऐड करके जो आंसर आएगा वही आपकी आंसर की चेकिंग होगी. ठीक है, तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको ये करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज 45 प्लस 28. ओके, this is the question. You have to add 45 and 28. So first what you have to do, you have to round off 45 to nearest 10. आपको 45 को nearest 10 round off करना है. So where you have to round off numbers nearest 10, you have to see the place of ones. Okay, ones place digit देखना है आपको. यहाँ पर ones place digit क्या है? 5. What is the ones place digit here? 5. 5 is equals to 5. Means you have to put 0 at ones place and you have to write the next number of 4, which is 5. जब भी यदि वंस प्लेस डिजिट 5 के इक्वल है तो आप 5 की वंस प्लेस डिजिट पर आप 0 लिखेंगे और जो टेंस प्लेस डिजिट है उसको वो डिजिट का नेक्स्ट नंबर लिखना है. ओके, यहाँ पर टेंस प्लेस पर 4 डिजिट है, डिजिट 4, तो उसका नेक्स्ट डिजिट क्या होगी? 5. Okay, so when you round off 45 to nearest 10, what will you get? 50. Now you have to round off 28. Here 8 is greater than 5. Greater और equal की condition में आपको same thing करनी है. Here 8 is greater than 5, so put 0 at the place of 8 and write the next digit of 2, which is 3. So when you round off 28 nearest 10, you will get 30. Now you have to add 50 and 30. 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 5 plus 3. After 5 you have to count 3 times. 6, 7, 8. So 80 you will get. Now you have to check the answer. So when you want to check the answer, you have to solve this sum as it is. So 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 will be 30. Carry over 1. 4 plus 2 will be 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. So the answer is 73. Now question number 2. You have to add 26 and 55. So first you have to round off 26 and 55 both the numbers. So 26 round off to nearest 10. See the digit of ones place. Here digit of ones place is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So put 0 at the ones place and on tens place you have to write the next digit of 2, which is 3. So what will you get after rounding off 26? You will get 30. Now you have to round off 55. Here on ones place the 5 digit is here. So here 5 is equals to 5. So put 0 at the ones place and write the next digit of 5, which is 6. So when you round off 55 nearest 10, you will get 60. 0 plus 0 will be 0. Now you have to find estimated sum and 3 plus 6 will be 9. What will you get the answer? The answer is 90. Now you have to add the numbers as it is. 6 plus 5 will be 11. So write 1 in the answer and carry over 1. Now add 1, 2 and 5. You will get 8. Now third question is you have to add 62 and 11. So according to question, first you have to round off both the numbers 62 and 11 to the nearest 10. So I am repeating again, when you want to round off the number nearest 10, you have to see the digit of ones place. Here in 62, the ones place digit is 2. 2 is less than 5. So write 0 at the place of 2, and since here 2 is less than 5, so you have to write 6 as it is. So when you round off 60 to nearest 10, you will get 60. Now you have to round off 11. Here on ones place 1. 1 is less than 5. So put 0 at the place of 1 and write this next one as it is, which is on tens place. Now add both the numbers. 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 6 plus 1 will be 7. So the estimated sum is 70. Now you have to add number as it is. So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 will be 3 and 6 plus 1 will be 7. What will you get? The sum is 73 and the estimated sum is 70. Now fourth question, 17 plus 83. अब आपको 17 और 83 को पहले राउंड ऑफ करना है नियरेस्ट 10 और फिर एस्टिमेटेड सम फाइंड आउट करना है और फिर 17 और 83 को एज इट इज भी प्लस करना है. ओके, दिस थिंग्स यू हैव टू डू इन दिस क्वेश्चन. सो फर्स्ट नंबर इज 17. सो सी द digit of ones place. Here ones place digit is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So write 0 at the place of 7 and write the digit 1 next digit of 1, which is 2. So when you round off 17 nearest 10, you will get 20. Now next number is 83. On ones place here is 3. 3 is less than 5. So write 0 at the place of 3 and since here 3 is less than 5, so there will be no change on tens place digit. So you have to write 8 as it is. Now add both the rounding of numbers. So 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 2 plus 8 will be 10. So the estimated sum is 100. Now you have to add 17 and 83. 7 plus 3 will be 10. Carry over 1. 1 plus 1 will be 2 and 2 plus 8 will be 10. So the sum of 17 and 83 will be 100. Now fifth one is 56 plus 31. You have to add 56 and 31 plus before that you have to round off 56 to nearest 10 and 31 to nearest 10 and you have to find the estimated sum. Here in 56 the ones place digit is 6. 6 is greater than 5. So write 0 at the ones place. Okay, and since here 6 is greater than 5, so write the next digit of 5 which is on tens place. So you have to write 6. This is the next digit of 5. Now next is 31. Here on ones place the digit 1 is here. So here 1 is less than 5. So put 0 at the place of 1. And since here 1 is less than 5, so there will be no change on tens place digit here. So here tens place digit is 3. So write 3 as it is. And now you have to add 60 and 30. So when you add 60 and 30, first you have to add 0 and 0. 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 will be 9. So the estimated sum is 90. Now you have to add 56 and 31 as it is. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 will be 7 and 5 plus 3 will be 8. So the sum is 87 and the estimated sum is 90. Now next sum is sixth one and this is the last sum of this question. Now you have to add 49 and 25. So before that you have to round off 49 to nearest 10 and 25 to nearest 10 and find the estimated sum. Here in 49 on ones place here is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So put 0 at the place of 9 and see the ones tens place digit. Here tens place digit is 4 and since here 9 is greater than 5, so you have to write the next digit of 4 which is 5. In 25, see the ones place digit. Here ones place digit is 5. 5 is equals to 5. So put 0 at the place of 5, and since here 5 is equals to 5, this is the condition of equal. So see the tens place digit 2. So write the next digit of 2, which is 3. Now add 50 and 30. 0 plus 0 will be 0, and 5 plus 3 will be 80. Now you have to find exact sum. So to find exact sum, you have to add 49 and 25. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 will be 14. So write 4 in the answer and carry over 1. 1 plus 4 will be 5, and 5 plus 2 will be 7. So the exact sum is 74 and the estimated sum is 80. This way you have to round off the numbers to nearest 10 and then add, and then you have to find the exact sum also. Dear students, there is an activity in your book Mental Maths before exercise 2.5. So I am doing this exercise, this activity now. So question number 1 of this activity is make 100. So first one is 30 plus dash equals to 100. Which number you have to write in blank? When you add that number in 30, you will get 100. So what you have to do? Here in 30 there is only one 0. So you have to put 0 firstly, and then after 3 you have to count up to 10. Okay. So when you count up to 10 after 3, you will get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many lines here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines here. So write 7 after 0. What number you will get? 70. So this is the answer. When you add 70 and 30, you will get 100. This way you have to do. Okay. Next question is dash plus 70 equals to 100. अब 70 में कितने जीरो यहाँ पर ओनली सिंगल जीरो है, तो पहले आप ब्लैंक में जीरो लिखेंगे. अब 7 के बाद आपको 10 तक काउंट करना है. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. How many lines here? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 lines here. So after 0 you have to write 3. So when you add 30 and 70, what will you get? 100. So this way you have to do. Next is 40 plus dash equals to 100. How many 0 in 40? Only one 0. So first you have to write 0, and then after 4 you have to count up to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many lines here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 after 0. So when you add 40 and 60, you will get 100. Now fourth one is dash plus 10. So you have to see this 10. How many 0 in 10? 1. So write 0 first, and then after 1 you have to count up to 10. 1 को लीव करना है आपको, फिर 10 तक काउंट करना है. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many lines here? 9. So write 9 after 0. What number you will get? 90. When you add 90 and 10, you will get 100. Okay. Fifth one is 20 plus dash equals to 100. So how many 0 in 20? Single 0. So write 0 in the dash, and after 2. 20 is here now. So after 2 you have to count up to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now count this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8 after 0. 20 plus 80 will be 100. Answer is 80. Sixth one is dash plus 90 equals to 100. How many zeros in 90? Only one 0. So write 0 here. And after 9 you have to count up to 10. So only one time you have to count, because 10 is come after 9. So only you have to write 1 here. 10 plus 90 equals to 100. This way you have to solve. Now question number B of this activity, make 1000. अब आपने पहले 100 बनाया था, अब आपको 1000 करना है. ओके. सो फर्स्ट वन इज 300 प्लस डैश इक्वल्स टू 1000. हाउ मेनी zeros in 300? 2 zeros. 1, 2. So first you have to write double 0 in dash, and after 3 you have to count up to 10. Same thing you have to do. So after 3 you have to count up to 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many lines here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7 after 2 zeros. What will you get? 700. So when you add 700 and 300, you will get 1000. Now second one is dash plus 700 equals to 1000. Which number you will add in 700? That you will get 1000. So how many zeros here in 700? 2 zeros. So write 2 zeros in blank. And after 7 you have to count up to 10. 8, 9, 10. How many lines you get? 3 lines. So write 3 after these 2 zeros. What will you get? The number is 300. So when you add 300 and 700, you will get 1000. Now third one is 400 plus dash equals to 1000. How many zeros in 400? 2 zeros. Now after 4 you have to count up to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many lines here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 here. So when you add 400 and 600, you will get 1000. Now last is dash plus 600. How many zeros in 600? 2 zeros. So write 2 zeros in blank. And after 6 you have to count up to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. How many lines you get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 here. And what is the number? 400. When you add 400 and 600, you will get 1000. So this way you have to do both the questions. So dear students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood exercise 2.5 and this activity. So have a nice day.